So today I'm going to bake using a round cast iron cloche and also the Challenger breadware cloche. So I'm going to do the round loaf into this one, and I'm going to protect it by putting a little bit of extra paper. So I'm going to put the paper down there, very conscious that you could burn your hands quite easily. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sling out of this piece of paper. So I'm just going to turn it over very gently and tap it out. Okay, so I'm just releasing the sourdough from the shape. Then I'm just going to rub it a little bit and mark it with a knife. Score it. And then I'm going to make a sling. So I'm going to literally just make a little sling and drop it in so that I don't burn my hands in the cloche. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop 2 ice cubes in and put the lid on. And I'm just going to put it into the oven. So I'm taking out the Challenger breadware, which is very heavy. It's almost 10 kilos in weight. It's much easier to manage. You can see it's very flat. So I'm just going to put a piece of paper, and then it's very easy then, and just literally tip it in. You can see how beautifully it lands. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure on the dough. I want to cut at an angle of roughly 21 degrees. All the way down. I'm going to just do a few incisions on the side as well. Just add a little bit of extra steam. Just going to put in 2 ice cubes. And putting on the lid. And then I'm just going to place it into the oven. Again, be very careful, it's almost 10 kilos weight. So 20 minutes are up, and I'm just going to take out the Dutch oven. Put it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this upside down. Make a lid. I'm just going to put it in like that. And I'll put it back into the oven like this. And then the round one, I'm going to do more or less the same. Just going to take this off. Okay, and put it back in.